being killed, by the people they love, the people they call friends, the people they call wife and husbands. Even children now are part of it. And all we are requesting today, as Association of Media Women in Kenya, with our partner at Action Africa, and our partners like COVA, who have also come on board and have been pushing forward, we are calling upon the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, the Office of the Chief Justice, the Office of the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, to kindly look at the issue of GBV comprehensively and hasten the process of justice, because if justice is served after 10, 15 years or 20 justice, that is not justice. And that's why we are saying we have to stop this cycle. Perpetrators keep on continuing to perpetrate and affect others because they know there's no accountability. Unless we stop this cycle by looking into our systems and finding where the gaps are and addressing them, we'll continue losing more and more people. And the more we continue losing the more people, that's why we even see the ripple effect is of even the suicide cases that we are hearing. So we really have to stop this, give a closure to the victims. Sadly, some of them have already left us, but we are not going to entertain or to accept that more continue leaving us just because we have a system that has been put in words. Let the gender desks not be desks. We want desks that are working, desks that are responsive to the needs of the society. Go to the gender desks, they don't understand first the story of the victim. We need to start thinking about counseling. How are they received? Are they asked, give us money, to fuel the car so that we can go and get the perpetrator? And this is what is happening right on the ground. Sadly, again, the file went missing at some point. You couldn't trace the file. And to date, actually, I don't know where that file is, and it's been more than a year. So what we are saying is, yes, the gender desk is a very positive and progressive effort by the government. But having the desks, having the wood, the pieces of wood is not enough. We are not having professionalized police officers dealing with these matters. I know efforts are being made, training has been done, but that is not enough. And some of them complain of being underfunded, some complain of lacking motivation and being overwhelmed. And all we are asking is for concentrated efforts to ensure that those desks are working. Those desks are being manned by people who have gone through training, how to handle the victims, how to help them. We don't want where we are, what were you wearing when you got raped, Why did you go home late? Why didn't you go home earlier? So when you go to some of these gender desks, these are the kind of questions that victims are being asked.